My name is Lavínia. I am 14 years old and I'm a Brazilian freshman student in the high school program. More than half of all garbage produced in Brazil is composed of organic waste such as food scraps. But then, how can we contribute? Small actions multiplied by several people can make a huge difference. Giving food a correct destination is a great way for us to practice sustainability daily. That's why my proposal is to create a domestic compost bin using a method that uses worms to speed up the process, called vermicomposting. Therefore, I'm going to show you the list of materials we'll be using, how we can build a compost bin, and teach you the composting process. So, let's get started. If we want to practice sustainability on a daily basis, we can start by providing the materials for the construction of a domestic compost bin. We will use 3 plastic containers of the same size with lids, a box cutter, a nail, a piece of filter fabric, a portion of soil with some Californian earthworms, organic waste, dry foliage, and sawdust shavings. Sustainable practice in everyday life will be possible by assembling the compost bin using the materials chosen in the first step. It's pretty easy, shall we? Basically, 3 plastic containers with lids will be stacked together. The bottom compartment, which is called the collection box, should be covered with a filter fabric attached to a lid with a large central hole. The middle and upper compartments are called the digester boxes. They should have holes in their bottoms and on the top of their side walls. The middle one should be closed with a lid with a large central hole, and the upper one should have a cover without holes to seal the compartment. It's done! Living with sustainability is very simple. Let's see how we can use the compost bin. In the upper compartment, we put a layer of soil with Californian earthworms. Then, we add the chopped organic residues to the soil and cover them with dry leaves or sawdust. We repeat the sequence until the compartment gets filled up. After that, we switch the upper compartment with the middle compartment. So, the empty one can continue the process. Here's a tip. We can use fruit and vegetable leftovers, coffee grounds, fine twigs, leaves, and eggshells. On the other hand, citrus fruits, garlic, onions, spices, meat, wheat, and potato peels are prohibited. You've probably already heard a famous quote from the French chemist Antoine Lavoisier that says, "In nature, nothing is lost, nothing is created, everything is transformed." This is how a compost bin works. The worms and microorganisms will compose the residues, and in the end, we will have the humus, a fluffy and dark soil which is an excellent fertilizer for gardens. So, have you seen how inspiring and rewarding home composting is? Providing the materials, assembling the compost bin, and following the process, in a short time, we'll have, as a result, fertilizers of excellent quality to use in our gardens. This is sustainability. Those who compost increase awareness of consumption, improve the relationship with food, serve as an example for the next generations, and experience the change we want to see in the world. So, let's practice sustainability to ensure a conscious future. Thank you for your kind attention.